How to withdraw money from CoinMarketCap. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how to easily withdraw money from CoinMarketCap. So the first thing you want to do is open up the app and make sure to log into your account. Then on the bottom hand side of your screen, you want to head over to the market section. Then locate the crypto or your asset that you want to withdraw. Then you want to head over to your portfolio section and create a new portfolio for your withdrawal. Click on any one of the options from the top left, tap on all portfolio, and then you can just create a new one. Tap on the new button right besides manage. Then you could just go ahead and connect your wallet from there, or you could also connect your Binance account. Just go ahead and click on new wallet connection, enter your connection name and your wallet address, and tap on create connection. Additionally, you could also connect your Binance account with this as well and give a name for your new portfolio. Now tap on create portfolio and it will be created. Now you need to add some transactions to your portfolio in order to be able to withdraw your assets. Go ahead and click on add transaction, and once you have done that, you just have to add the crypto to your wallet. Enter the amount and then tap on add transaction. Once the transaction has been added, you can then tap on the diamond icon at the top of your screen right beside the search bar. Then you can use these diamonds from different events and offers, and you can then use them to withdraw your assets from CoinMarketCap. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.